Hello, my friends. Well, I hope you're not getting too tired of swipes, but I have one more in mind to do here, and then I'll try to move on to something else in my next video. In the last one, I was hoping to be able to show you the painting I ended up doing. I decided instead of the old world looking one, I would do more of a modern take. So here it is. I already have the painting over at the gallery, so I can't show you in person, but this is what it looked like. I'm real happy with the way it came out. And that's that. So today's is going to be, well, I want to paint a chicken, a big golden colored chicken right around here. So I want the bottom, say third, to be kind of barnwood looking, and then the top 2/3 will be black because I want that chicken to really stand out. So I don't want solid black. I'll put down a base coat of black there and a base coat of white here, but then on the black I'm going to swipe with some metallic black, so it will just change it enough that it's not solid, but it still be very dark. So that's the plan there. And then on the white half, I'm going to swipe with the metallic black and gray. I'm using all Artist Loft paints here, keeping it real easy. Just mixed 4-to-1 with American Floetrol. So let's get to it. I may speed this part up. This is not going to be terribly interesting, but I will show you what I'm doing. Okay, that's that. And now we've got a nice full coverage. Oh, I missed a little bit over here, but the swipe will, I think I got enough left in the cup. I'm not terribly concerned about the sides because when it's all done, I will touch up the sides with either black or white. No problem there. So as long as I have a nice even coverage on top, that's all I'm really concerned about. And my swipe tool today is going to be some old business cards. They have kind of a waxy side, so they make a really nice swipe tool, I think. I'm going to start with the white. Because I'm left-handed, I'm going to pull to the left. And then, I guess I can go right-handed and do the top rather than turn it all around. So we'll see. Okay, I think I'll, I think I'll go right on into the black, kind of, because I don't want to really be swiping with white. Another strip of that gray there. Okay, let's see what we get. So this is the metallic for starters. Okay. Not what I envisioned, but it may change. I don't dislike it. I just wish I had more of the white showing through here. Of course, I wouldn't because I started in the black, of course. But this kind of is the look I wanted here. It looks like boards going that way. Maybe I have an idea. I have an idea. Let me just finish this. Oops, that wasn't very good. I'll do that again. Am I going to mess it up if I do it again? Quite possibly. All right. I think I want to have him, I want kind of a ledge here. So I'm going to take a card and dip it in the white and come across this way and see what happens. That's okay. I don't mind that. Don't like that white there, that white area. Let me come across this way and kind of even it up. All right, that's better. And again, when it dries, I can do whatever I need to do to make it look like I want it to look. So that's okay. Now, now I want to swipe this way with the black and gray. No, just the black, just the, I don't think I'm going to use this gray. It's not a beautiful gray. I'll just use the metallic. I think that was my original plan anyway. So now I'm going to swipe upwards with my right hand. I'm very left-handed, so I hope I can do this straight. Okay, see how much more interesting that is than just solid black. It's still black, but it's got a little texture and a little sheen to it, so I think that will be nice in the final result. And I'm gonna get a new card. And I gotta do it again. Okay. Wish I hadn't done that kind of. Maybe I'll work on that a little more. Okay, one more swipe and I'll be done with this half. I'm happy with that. Get my excess off and here we go. Oh, yay. Okay. Happy with that. Happy with this. Not crazy about that. I'm wondering if I should do anything or just let it dry and fix it later. You know, it's difficult for me to just leave it as I see it there. Maybe I'll take that. I'll take this metal color, metallic black, and just do one little swipe, one more swipe this way. With the metal, metallic rather. Okay. Okay, I think that's better. Alrighty. Now the challenge is to leave it alone. I promise I will. I'm not doing anything else to it. That's kind of the look I wanted, I think. Some bubbles. Kind of has the appearance of barn wood. I'll get rid of that. Well, the chicken will be right there, so it doesn't matter. Chicken's going to be about this big. His feet will be hanging over on this thing, and then he'll be right around there. So that'll be fun. All right, my friends, I hope this wasn't too boring for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time with something colorful. Bye-bye.